Imagine waking up every day with a clear plan, a focused mind, and the discipline to follow through. No procrastination, no excuses, just steady action towards your goals. That kind of discipline isn't something people are born with. It's something you build. And today, I'll show you how to build it using something I call the Lotus Method. It's a simple but powerful way to stay focused, break bad habits, and train your mind to stay in control even when motivation fades. Most people think they need motivation to succeed, but that's not true. Motivation is like a spark. It feels exciting at first, but it disappears fast. You've probably felt that before. You set a goal, get excited for a few days, and then lose the drive. That's because motivation depends on how you feel, and feelings change all the time. Discipline is different. Discipline doesn't care how you feel. It's what makes you show up even on hard days. It's what turns dreams into real results. Success isn't about working hard only when you feel like it. It's about doing the work every single day, no matter what. So how do you build that level of discipline? That's where the Lotus Method comes in. The lotus flower grows in dirty water, but rises above it clean and strong. That's exactly how discipline works. No matter how messy or distracting life is, you can train yourself to rise above it. And you do it step by step. The first step is building a strong base. Ask yourself why you want to be more disciplined. If your reason isn't strong, your discipline won't be either. You need a purpose that pushes you forward even when things get hard. Next, look at your environment. Most people think discipline is all about willpower, but your surroundings matter a lot. If your phone is next to you while you work, you'll get distracted. If junk food is always in your kitchen, you'll eat it. Make discipline easier by removing temptations before they become problems. And start small. You don't need to change your whole life at once. Wake up 10 minutes earlier. Do one push-up. Read for 5 minutes. Small wins build momentum, and momentum turns into habits. The next step is strengthening your self-control. Life will always have distractions, but you should be able to stay in charge of your actions. One powerful trick is the 5-second rule. Whenever you feel yourself hesitating, to get up, start working, or begin exercising, count down from 5. 5. Potartro. 2, 1, and go. This stops your brain from overthinking and forces you into action. Another useful habit is delaying instant rewards. Don't check your phone the moment you feel bored. Don't eat that snack right away. Every time you wait, you teach your brain to value long-term results over short-term pleasure. And that's how discipline gets stronger. Once you build control, it's time to improve your focus. Instead of working randomly, set clear time blocks where you give your full attention to one task. Turn off notifications, put your phone away, and focus without interruptions. Even 30 minutes of deep, focused work is far more effective than hours of distracted effort. The final step is making discipline part of your identity. Track your progress every day. Write down how consistent you were. If you miss a day, don't let it become 2. The faster you bounce back, the stronger you become. And most importantly, change the way you see yourself. Stop saying, "I want to be disciplined." Start saying, "I am a disciplined person." When you believe that, your actions will naturally follow. Now that you understand the Lotus Method, try it for the next 7 days. Pick one habit you want to improve. Maybe it's waking up early, reading daily, or working out. Apply these steps, track your progress, and watch how much stronger your discipline becomes. If you found this helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment with the habit you're working on. Remember, motivation fades, but discipline will carry you to success. And once you master it, there's